See, my Zazu is very angry and hungry. He is very angry and hungry at the same time. Yeah, she is very angry. No, that he is very angry. You can see he trying to bite my finger. He trying to bite my finger by avoiding this. Yeah, you see, you see, you see. You see my Zazu? I'm going to you, boop, you. Yeah, because I just little bit cut his nails, so that's why he's angry with me. Yeah, he is angry with this nail cutter also. You can see, and this is his food. It's very hot, so I let it to little bit cool down. Okay, don't feed your baby chick hot and cold. Just feed them normal. You see the you see the he is starving. Oh, fuck my finger. He fucking my finger through his fucking nails. Fuck. His nail is very sharp. Fuck you. What the fuck are you talking about, man? I'm with your side. I'm on your side. Huh? What do you think? You are the only one who gets hunger? Me also hunger. I even didn't get food 3 months straight. Yeah. And you will get and you getting food 5 times a day. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Me also very poor. But you fucking rich. You got 500 rupees hand feeding formula. Hand feeding formula, you got 500 rupees. Ah. You see? You can see the love. The love. Yeah. Wait. It's very hot. It's hot. It's hot. Little bit. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. Bye. Okay, I'm going to feed it. Okay. Bye. ये मेरा कुछ